Welcome back, brand newbies. At Brandnoodle U, every club has a lesson to teach, even the drama club. Today, students are lining up to audition. But they're not just chasing a role. They're here to discover something every brand needs: a voice. Directing today's tryouts is none other than Bento, in his finest old Hollywood gear. He knows that the right voice can bring a brand to life, or send it right off stage. Backstage, eager performers rehearse their lines. Some sound too big, some too small, and some, well, they haven't quite found the right note.
Get your cupcakes this Sunday! Sunday! Sunday!
Some brands try to be the loudest in the room. But yelling doesn't make your message clear, it just makes it hard to swallow. Bento knows. Noise without clarity only leaves the audience groaning. Others go too quiet, so subtle no one even notices. If your audience can't hear you, they can't connect with you. And that earns nothing but frustration.
To sip or not to sip? That is the question.
Even Bento can't watch it any longer. But the strongest brands don't shout, whisper, or pretend. They speak in a voice that's clear, consistent, and true to who they are. When a brand's voice feels authentic, your audience doesn't just hear you, they cheer for you. And when you've nailed it, your voice isn't just heard, it's remembered. Finding the right brand voice isn't just about how loud you are or how clever you sound. It's about being true to who you are, clear, consistent, and unmistakable. When you speak in your authentic voice, your audience won't just hear you, they'll remember you. That's the lesson from Brandnoodle U today. Join us next week for another class, where Bento and the team will take on the art of storytelling. Because every brand has a story, but not every brand knows how to tell it. See you then, brand newbies.